Etong latest chika, sino kayang tinutukoy ng blind item na ito ng ITM na may headline na "Our wedding bells softly rehearsing and the distance or the silence telling a different tale." Sina Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano nga ba kaya ito o hindi? Hindi pa naman kasi umaamin ang dalawa na sila na. Baka hindi. Hindi sila, pero ito ang sabi ng Blind Item News. Blind Item, The Waiting Game. For years, the showbiz couple has shared a chemistry that cameras simply cannot fake. What began as subtle glance and a carefully guarded sweetness has quietly evolved into a love story that has undeniably stood the test of time. They've weathered intrigues, schedules, and the ruthless glare of the spotlight, yet they remain standing side by side. So why no wedding? Whispers within industry circles suggest the answer isn't about the readiness but legality. And so the love story waits. Fans describe her as understanding, loyal, willing to stand in the in-between, but even the strongest hearts have timelines. They've been together long enough for fans to ask the question that lingers louder each year. Is forever finally within reach? Or does destined to remain a beautiful love story posed by circumstance? Clue, ito nga daw ang clue, sabi ng ITM. Light on the tongue, yet unforgettable once spoken. A name that echoes itself like a secret. Said twice. Ala, sino kaya ito? Sina Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano kaya ito? Ano sa palagay nyo? Comment down below.